Indian-administered Kashmir Valley came to a standstill following the release of the result of a federal investigation into the death of two Muslim women. The Central Bureau of Investigations concluded on Monday that the two women were not murdered in the town of Shopian but drowned in a river.
The investigation into the double murder case and rape case, the finding is that it is death caused by drowning, and that is what the investigation said.
Protests were seen at different places with people chanting anti-India slogans. Many Kashmiris opposed to New Delhi's rule over the Muslim-majority region and accused Indian security forces of raping the 17-year-old girl and her 22-year-old sister-in-law before their bodies were found.
Kashmiris should never expect justice from the Indian agencies. Death due to drowning in a shallow stream is impossible. Indian forces were involved in this incident. The report has put cover to protect the guilty.
Police initially said the woman had drowned, provoking widespread public anger over an alleged cover-up, but they later said the victims might have been raped and murdered. Shopian town, 50 kilometers from summer capital Srinagar, observed a 47-day shutdown and massive protests during which at least 2 people were killed and around 500 injured in clashes with police. Later, the state government announced a one-man inquiry commission. An autopsy report confirmed that the women were raped, and the government-appointed commission alleged that 4 police officers were involved in destroying some of the key evidences. They were later suspended and arrested. In September, the case was handed to Central Bureau of Investigations after judicial authorities and the state police failed to crack it. The Central Bureau of Investigation has sought action against 6 doctors, 5 lawyers and 2 other people for fabricating evidences. The women's families and residents of Shopian said on Monday they reject the Central Bureau of Investigation's findings.
The report presented by CBI is a clear cover-up to protect the guilty. This is an injustice, and I will take this case further. I want international intervention in this case.
Troops fighting separatist militants in Kashmir have been accused in the past of human rights violations, including rape and extrajudicial killings. However, authorities deny any systematic violation and say all reports are investigated and the guilty are punished. Different conclusions of the investigations done so far have led to confusion. However, the relatives of the 2 women and the campaigners accuse CBI of trying to protect the guilty and call this report a cover-up. Shahana Bhatt, Press TV, Indian-administered Kashmir.